हर तरफ चलता गुणगान रहे, बरसे असीम कृपा ईश्वर की, आपकी जिंदगी में हमेशा मुस्कान रहे. Ladies and gentlemen, Institute of Valuers, IOV, Registered Valuers Foundation, in association with IBBI, presenting Global Valuation Summit 2023. This is Serene Sarkar and would like to welcome all you fine ladies and gentlemen to this amazing two-day summit. Unfortunately, whether you like it or not, I'm going to be presenting these 2 days summit, so you have to tolerate me with whatever I'm going to be delivering here. Thank you, and once again, would like to take the opportunity to welcome you all fine people to this Global Valuation Summit 2023, of course, the financial capital of India, Mumbai. IOV, the Institute of Valuers, is celebrating its 54th year of formation, and this seminar is the second in the series of Global Valuation Summit, organized in the financial capital of India, which is called Mumbai, also known as Maya Nagari. Of course, the vibe of this city is completely different, evergreen, and as vibrant as all the fine people and valuers sitting out here. First one was organized in the year 2019 in New Delhi, Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium. IOV is partnering with IOV, RVF, IBBI, and IVSC, the International Valuation Standards Council. And of course, the theme of this seminar is Mapping the Momentum and Global Outreach of Valuation Profession. We have participation from more than 9 countries and delegates of more than 600 across India. The summit is a special occasion to meet the first generation of valuers who are practitioners for more than 5 decades, and also the torchbearer of valuation profession. We welcome all the chairmans and secretary of 52 branches of IOV for the seminar. Can we have a big round of applause, please? And it is absolutely a privilege to invite our distinguished dignitaries to be on the dais. I would now like to invite VR PK Tyagarajan, the President, IOV. He has around 30 years of experience of sugar industry in India and African countries, along with special electrode manufacturing. He has been awarded with Lifetime Achievement Award 2013 by Rotary Club. He has presented technical papers on valuation of sugar industries 2009, and valuation Hong Kong, Singapore, Beijing, and India, etc. He is also a member of delegate for technical discussion of Germany and Israel. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you none other than VR PK Tyagarajan. Can we have a big round of applause? Ladies and gentlemen, inviting Dr. Anil Kashyap, the first President and Chancellor, NICMR MAR University. He is the first President and Chancellor of NICMAR University, Pune and Hyderabad. He has 30 years of experience in practice, academic, and research, both in India and abroad. Dr. Kashyap has published over 100 papers in peer-reviewed journals, international and national conferences till date. Of course, Dr. Kashyap holds a bachelor's degree in civil engineering with distinction from NIT Kurukshetra. Masters in Urban Planning from School of Planning and Architecture, New Delhi, and of course, PhD from University of Ulster, United Kingdom. You know, I had taken at least 5 minutes to said whatever he has done in his entire life. He's looking so young. When did he finish all these things? I really don't know. Thank you very much, sir, for being a part of this prestigious summit. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you Mr. R. Arunachalam, the President, Institute of Actuaries of India. He has worked as an appointed actuary for General Insurance Company in India for 7 years and as a signing actuary for a reassurance branch. His expertise lies in areas like life insurance, general insurance, pensions, in employees' benefits, investments, consulting, and technology. Ladies and gentlemen, it is an honor to present to you none other than Mr. R. Arunachalam. Please put your hands together. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I believe value is always adding values to our lives. So, तालियों में कंजूसी बिल्कुल नहीं चाहिए मुझे. Can we have a big round of applause, please? Thank you so much. I know you're making the difference every single day to every people's life and of course to your lives too. I want to see that energy today here. I know there's a lot of technical session, there will be a lot of question answers, there will be a lot of information sharing, insights, but at the same time, I want your energy to be absolutely at par and high because more energy, more learning and more takeaways and of course more business. Matlab rokda. And ladies and gentlemen, now I'm going to be inviting the last but not the least dignitary to be gracing our dais, none other than Mr. Nick Talbot, IVSC, the CEO, worked in various senior clients facing internal roles at EY and KPMG between 1998 and 2011. Before joining the professional body RICS as a director with global responsibilities. Since joining IVFC, Nick has overseen the introduction of technical standards boards of all valuation asset classes and led engagement with a range of stockholders, including regulatory leaders, minister, valuation providers, and professional body CEOs, as well as valuation leaders from many of the largest investors in the world. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you Mr. Nick Talbot. Can we have a big round of applause for all the dignitaries on the dais, please? कहते हैं कोई भी शुभ कार्य शुभारंभ से पहले हम एक बार भगवान जी के सामने जरूर मत्था टेकते हैं. So ladies and gentlemen, it is the time to of course light of the lamp and of course remembering all our almighties that stays right inside us and give us all the strength to go in life, move forward and win the world. Ladies and gentlemen, I would request all our distinguished dignitaries in the dais to please come forward for the lighting of the lamp. Shubham karoti kalyanam, arogyam dhana sampada, shatru buddhi vinashaya, Deepa Jyoti Namastute, Deepa Jyoti Namastute. Salutation to the light of the lamp, which brings success and prosperity to each and everyone's life. And of course, that destroys the inimical feeling that we have inside. So ladies and gentlemen, all the dignitaries, the chairmen, honorary and general secretaries and all the participants and valuers. I would like to wish from the bottom of my heart and of course from IOV and the Global Valuation Summit, wish all the very best and all the success and prosperity and joy to bring in your life. Now let us start this formal inaugural ceremony. And of course, to start with, we would like to invite VR P.K. Tyagarajan, the President IOV, to deliver the welcome address. Sir, आप क्या खाते हैं? Why do you have so much of energy? We get so motivated looking at you. किसने कहा इडली? आप क्या खाते हो? चलिए all भाई भाई. All right, ladies and gentlemen, moving on, of course, it is a privilege right now to invite Mr. Nick Talbot, the IVSC CEO, for the PC Goel Memorial Lecture. PC Goel Memorial Lecture in the year 1968. Late Shri PC Goel was the founder of IOV and called as the father of valuation. And of course, in his memory, it is his time. Thank you so much. तालियों में कंजूसी बिल्कुल नहीं चाहिए. Thank you.
Hi, good afternoon, everyone. How are you?
I would request Mr. B. Sankar, Mr. R. Arunachalam, Dr. Anil Kashyap, Vinay sir, Mr. Talbot, and of course, Jaden sir, to please come forward. And now I would like to invite awardees one by one. PC Goel Lifetime Achievement Award goes to none other than Dr. Ashok Nain. He is holding an MSc from the Illinois Institute of Technology, USA, and distinguished PhD brings forth a wealth of 40 years of extensive experience as both an engineer and a valuer. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you our first awardee, Dr. Ashok Nain.